Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.